Hi students, MCQ number 9 in electrostatics. An electric field E vector equal to 10x I cap exists in a certain region of space. Then the potential difference V equal to VO minus VA, where VO is the potential at the origin and VA is the potential at x is equal to 2 centimeter is, these four options are given. So we have to find the potential difference. Now first of all, the clue for this is whether the potential will be either positive or negative. The clue I will give you. Now the direction of electric field is along the x-axis. So 10x times I cap, is it not? Now the point O is at the origin and the point A is at a distance of 2 centimeter from the origin. We have studied that the potential will always decrease along the direction of the electric field. As the value of x increases, V is inversely proportional to the distance. Therefore, the potential will be decreasing. So, the potential at the origin should be greater than the potential at A. Therefore, VO minus VA must be a positive value only. So, we can rule out the negative values. Then we have to find which of these two is correct. Okay. So, for that, now we have studied that the electric field is also equal to the negative potential gradient minus dV by dx. So, I will take minus dV is equal to E into dx, E dot dx. So, now minus of, I am going to integrate on both sides. So, minus of integral dV must be equal to integral of E dot dx. Now, the left side, the starting point is the origin, is it not? So, the potential is VO and the ending point is x is equal to 2 centimeters. So, here this potential at this point is VA. So, the lower limit is VO and the upper limit is VA for the integral on the left hand side. And for the right hand side, x is equal to, so here x is equal to 0 up to x is equal to 2 centimeter. E is to be substituted equal to what? 10x, is it not? So minus of dV is equal to integral of 10x into dx. So this integral is VO to VA. And this is 0 to 2. So this is once again equal to 10 into integral of x dx. And the limits are 0 to 2. Now minus of integral of dV is what? V. Between the limits VO and VA. And this is equal to 10 into integral of x dx is what? X square divided by 2. And the lower limit is 0 to the upper limit 2. Okay. So here minus of upper limit minus lower limit. So this is what? VA minus VO. This is equal to 10 by 2. So this is 10 by 2 into x square. So x square between the limits 0 and 2. Now minus negative of VA minus VO is nothing but VO minus VA. Is it not? So the left hand side can now be replaced as a VO minus VA, and this is equal to 10 by 5 is 10 by 2 is 5. So x square 2 square. So this is 2 square minus 0. Therefore VO minus VA is equal to 5 into 2 square. So this is 4. So this is equal to 20. Therefore, the potential difference is equal to higher potential minus lower potential is equal to plus 20 volt. So this is the correct answer. So which of these options? See, my negative value I told you is that. So elimination method, you have to eliminate only from this positive. We have found that the option is C. Therefore, option C is the correct answer. So we started the derivation from the relation between the electric field and the negative potential gradient. And we integrated the equation and we got the value option C as the correct answer. I hope you must have understood well. Fine.